Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's Ryan Brooks, King Brooks, Q Big Daddy B, King Brooks 1521, whichever way you want to call me. I'm here to show you guys how to have a 9:16 ratio, creating that in Sony Vegas, and how to pretty much put that in IGTV. All right, how to put your video in IGTV, creating it in 9:16 ratio. All right, so this video should be 2 to 3 minutes. If not, I don't apologize. I'll give a damn. All right, out here in these streets, yay. Baby selling crack in the corners, yay. Back down in the middle of the street. Okay, so pretty much I rendered the little test video I put up on my IGTV. Make sure you guys follow me on IGTV. Haha, right there in the screen, baby. Yay. Down in the description as well. So pretty much I'll close out of here, and basically what I did, I'll redo this. Basically, all right, so basically what I did when I load up Vegas Pro, so I got 14 and this could be on any Vegas Pro. I looked at all the videos. I haven't seen anything on this, that the type of video I'm creating. I haven't seen any type of preset or anything like that for 9:16. So I'll be showing you guys right here. So I'll just take a random clip. I make sure the one you just saw that I rendered was at 15, but I'll just take any random clip for the same video. And you know, basic flow, let's just say that's 15. Kind of did it at random, so yeah, that's pretty much 15 right there. All right, so pretty much what you want to do, this could be by any type of video. So I basically made this off of my computer and it's at 1080p. So you see the project right here, 1920 by 1080. So pretty much you basically want to, and this could be by anything. So say if you record it on your phone, it's already there in 9:16 technically, but say if you have it and say you want to flip it, that's pretty much what I'm going to show you. So you want to go to your project priorities.
It's where?
Sorry, project properties, and basically you want to flip the width and the height. That's pretty much what you want to do. So right here, I have a preset on it already, but I'll do it raw right here in front of you. 1080 in 1920, and you basically just flipped your whole project, right? And also too, with the pixel aspect ratio, you want to put that on widescreen 1.4568. you want to put that right there. Everything else is good. You guys want to take a screenshot? That's basically what I did. I keep it like this. If you want, you can take it off resample. Resample doesn't really matter in this point. The whole point is to get it as 9:16 so you can put it up on IGTV. All right, so you guys want to take a little screenshot, want to pause, take some notes. Pretty much what you want to do. The main point is to pretty much flip the 1920 by 1080. Now you could have 720 by 480, just flip that. You're basically just flipping the width and the height. All right, so frame rate, you can put on any frame rate. So that's pretty much what you want to do, right? And then you flipped it, so right there. So you can keep it like this, is good. But say if you want to flip it, so you basically, you right click, you go to video edit, pan crop, and say you want to flip it, right? You say you want to like have it full screen for someone to watch on IGTV, not just to hold up straight, but you want to hold up to the side. So what you want to do in here in rotation, you pretty much would put that up at 90 degrees, not negative, but just positive 90 degrees, right? So you put that there, but then you want to take control, have it fill up the whole screen. It depends on you. You want to have some black spots. It depends. That's pretty much what you want to do right there. But you still have some black bars right there, right? So what you want to do is maintain aspect ratio. You want to put on no, so not taking up the whole screen, right? But if you want them, you know, just put on yes. You know, it's your choice, your video, all right? That's pretty much what you want to do. That's how you flip it. You know, there's no preset on it. You can put a preset right here. You create your own. You can pretty much do whatever you want, but this is all the little, you know, logical computer science part of it. There's no preset in Sony Vegas. There's a preset in Adobe Premiere, but it's pretty much what you want to do is create your own in Sony Vegas if you only use Sony Vegas, right? All right, cool. So you're pretty much taking up the whole video. I'm gonna just leave it there. I'm not gonna save it. I'm not gonna render it. You already saw me render it. So it's pretty much what you want to do. You want to flip it and put on 90 degrees positive, right? So then in the render, once you're done, and once you've done everything you need to do, you pretty much want to go over to render. You want to create another template. So I'll customize, show you guys my my little nubs right here. You pretty much want to have the same frame size. So if you want, you can allow source to adjust frame size and all that. You can match it and all that stuff, but I do it, you know, over and over again to make sure, you know what I mean? So just for me. So the main thing is you want to flip your width to your height. That's pretty much what you're doing. The same thing you've done in your preset project, you want to do in the custom settings, right? So the width and height is flipped, and all this, you want to copy it, go ahead. You can have different BPSs, all that stuff, different slices. The main point is to flip your width and your height, and your choice. I want to keep it on 1 because already in the project is at 1.4568, I'm pretty sure. So you want to keep it at 1. When I put it on 1.3333, basically it was stretching it, and I didn't want that look. If you want that look, go ahead, but I just keep it at 1 for pixel ratio. All right, so take a picture of it, pause it, you know, take a picture, copy down. That's pretty much what you're doing. You're just flipping, and then if you want, you rotate your video to pretty much have it long screen, pretty much what people want to flip it and see it. That's pretty much how it is, and that's how your video is going to be saved. Obviously, it's not going to flip back and forth like that setting you have on iOS. I just have an iOS. I just have an iPhone, so I'm not sure you do that on Android, but you probably do. Since it's 2018, you should be able to do that on any type of smartphone, Google, whatever, Windows, whatever. So pretty much, that's pretty much it. It's simple, you know. It took me like a few seconds to figure out when there was no little preset right there, but that's pretty much it. So pretty much, I'm gonna show you a preview. I'm going to delete it off my IG, so make sure you guys follow me on IG. So pretty much my little completion right here. So it goes in perfectly, as you can see. You know, there's no errors or anything. I put at 16, all goody goody. So I'm gonna put, and it's gonna require you a title for me to even post it. So delete this. I'm deleting this. Get out back. Now you can wait, blah blah blah, all that goody goody. So by the time you see this, it's been off. All right. By the time you see the video, it's been off. So we're just gonna post it. It's not fully done, but it's gonna be done right in a second. So my IG right there, it's gonna be a link. It's gonna be on my screen already. You see the screen right here. By me going to HTML route right there. So preparing, is gonna wait for it. So basically, just to go over it, right? So any type of video that you have, say if you record it on your phone, say if you record it vertical, you're pretty much at that 9:16 ratio already. So you don't gotta do much. You just gotta make sure it's MP4. Obviously, you should be reading. I should have to go over the requirements because you should be reading the requirements. So you should make sure that you know what you're doing. But basically, to do it on Sony Vegas, you just have to put it in your settings. You have to flip it. Flip your width and your height, and also have on pixel aspect ratio on widescreen, right? Once you've done that, you want to go back here. If you want to flip it, it doesn't really matter. You can have it straight. You can have people look at it vertical. But if you record it vertical, that's how you pretty much have it. It's going to be full screen. If you guys wanted to have it full screen, that's pretty much how you have it already. But if you want to flip it and have it full screen when it's on the side, that's pretty much how you do it, right? That's like the main aspect. So I recorded it widescreen, obviously. I recorded it at 1080p. So me flipping it, it has to be flipped on the phone. Like, it has to be flipped in the final project for it to be full screen, you know, in this aspect, in the 917 aspect, right? So right here, you want to keep it on, whichever is your choice. But the main thing, you want to have it full screen. When it's on the side, that's pretty much how you do it. You have it at rotation angle 90. Rotation angle 90. Say it with me now. Rotation angle 90, baby. Yeah, okay. So pretty much keep this on yes. You know, you don't want the frame rate to go crazy and all that. So your choice right there. And then in your rendering, little template. So on here, main concept AVC, AAC.mp4. Make sure it's the MP4. All right. Same thing. Flip your width to your height, and keep this on 1 if you choose to. But in your project, in your preview, definitely have it on 1.4568. All right. Audio doesn't matter. System, you know, it's all you. I'm just really worried about the video. Pretty much what you're worried about too. Right, so that's good. All right, already render it. So let's look at it.
That's as you can see on our timeline. He's taking a few deaths in this game, but it's all good though.
Make sure you guys are subscribing, sharing, share the greatness, share how great this brother is. Look, for example, drops back down.
That's as you can see on our timeline.
Boom, right there. All right, so I'm gonna delete it. I'm gonna delete it on the scene, in the video. All right, so it's all goody right there. All good. It goes to the screen like this, blah blah blah. So pretty much it's all done. It's that quick, that easy, that simple. I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you guys follow me on IG, follow me on here, subscribe, follow me on everything. Links down in the description. I appreciate you guys watching, and peace out.